Welcome back, guys, to another Cook With Me. I'm Lexi Nardoni. I guess I'm your host. And today we're making one of my favorite desserts. Here is my cookbook in which I keep all my treasured family recipes. I got this off Amazon. Today we are making one of my favorite desserts. It is a fruit crisp, and today I'm making it with some blackberries. This recipe is just really super simple and easy, and it's my go-to dessert for like when my family asks for it. They love this dessert, they always ask for it. Or if I want to like bring it to someone, this is the recipe I go to. You can substitute the blackberries for any fruit and it's still good. Originally I made it with apples, but my family is a blackberry family, so they like that. I'll show you how to make this today, and also the recipe is completely vegan. First off, we're going to make the filling. For the filling you need your fruit, so blackberries, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and sugar. I ran out of white sugar, so we're going to use brown sugar today. First, you want to put all your fruit in a large bowl. Okay, done. So I'm like doubling the recipe. I also kind of eye it sometimes depending what size crisp I'm going to make. And I got a lot of blackberries, if you can't see, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do a cup of sugar. I got a small one, don't worry. I'm making a mess. Then we're going to do one teaspoon, not tablespoon, of cinnamon. I like cinnamon in it, it's really good. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh, that smells good. Then you mix it all together. Mix, 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 mix. Don't look at my posture. Once that is mixed, you're going to want to set that aside. The sugar will, Jesus Christ, will bring out like the natural fruit juices. So let's move on to the topping. Now for the topping. We need some all-purpose flour. You need some brown sugar. In the usual recipe, use white sugar in the filling and brown sugar for the topping. But I'm using brown sugar right now for all of it because we don't have white sugar. You need some oats, more cinnamon, salt, and butter. I'm using plant-based butter, so you can make it non-plant-based / vegan by using real butter. But I'm not gonna do that. Do a cup of all-purpose flour. I love this recipe because I'm not that good at baking, or more, I don't like to follow the measurements as much, but this doesn't really matter if you put more or less. It's got to be the right ratio. Uh-oh, we gotta go get the thirds. We gotta go get the thirds. Can you see that mess? 2/3 old-fashioned oats. Now we gotta do the brown sugar. We gotta do, usually the recipe says 2/3, so I gotta do sometime later. I'm just gonna do 4 of these thirds, whatever. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 melted butter, but I gotta do that real quick. Oh no, half a cup of butter. Then I'm just going to take the mixing spoon out of the other bowl and mix this up. Okay, I'm going to set the oven to 350. I'm going to clean up a little bit and I'll be back with the assembly. So the oven is still heating up. We got both our mixtures right here. It is, what time is it? 11 7:17 in the morning. My family wants theirs for dinner, and I'm also making some for our trainer, but that's not till later, so I'm not going to cook theirs till later. So I'm going to make myself a little mini version. If you want to do this, I usually do a quarter of the recipe. Yeah, so I'm going to put this in here and I'll make a tiny one, and I'll do taste tests for you. Okay, so let's assemble this. First, obviously, you're going to take the berries and put some of those in there. So you kind of want to fill it up a lot depending how much of the topping you want on it. So now you add the topping. Look at that. Okay, now that our little guy is prepped and ready, we're going to put him in the oven for around 45 to 60 minutes. This guy will only probably take 45, but if you're making a bigger portion, probably take around like 50. If it's really big, 60 minutes. And you gotta just look for the nice like golden on top. Wow, that was loud. There she goes. We're going block style. While that is cooking, I'm gonna put these two away so I can cook it later. And probably just like, I don't know, I finished finals, so I'll probably just relax, watch some TV. Okay, time to take this out and let it cool for a bit. I'll let that cool for about 5 minutes. Okay, time for the taste test. Everyone wants to try it. Let's get to it. I already know I love it because I've made it before, but the berries did reduce down a lot, so that's why I filled it up so much. If you're wondering, you probably weren't. This would be really good with also vanilla ice cream. I know my family always does that, but so good. Recommend trying this. It's super quick for like prep time. The longest part of that was actually cooking it. But yeah, I definitely recommend this for an easy dessert to make for your friends or family. Also, you can put other fruit in there. It's just amazing. Love the crisp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
A lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.